Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a really neat Oculus holder, I should say, for your VR. It comes in this beautiful wood finish, and it's etched. It says Oculus. It has 3D printed holders for the controllers, and then one for the actual headset. Works really, really well. I was in the market for one for my Oculus, but a lot of the ones I saw would mount it on, on the ground, or not on the ground, but like on a tabletop or something like that. I wanted something that I could mount on my wall. And this runs about $34.95 on Etsy. I'll put a link below. It works for Oculus, Oculus Quest 2, and then the Oculus Rift S. Also, you can get these in white if you would rather, but I thought black looks really good. But really impressed with how it holds it, how it looks, the price. I think this is a really nice Oculus accessory. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.